Oh, my bad. Yo, Shabbat with a video. Welcome back to the workout programming series. Today's topic is how to set up a workout program for maximum results. I feel like every workout should start off with a warm-up. I stopped warming up at the beginning of my workouts because I felt like it was taking too much of my time. That's why I actually made a video about how to train in less time while experiencing the same amount of muscle growth. I'll link that video right about now in the card. A 2010 study from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research did a systematic review effects of warming up on physical performance. And it turns out that short warm-ups can boost your performance. Therefore, you don't have to train long for the warm-up to be effective. A study from Harvard University showed that you only need a maximum of 10 minutes to warm up before going into your training session. Before I continue, tell me in the comments down below how you are going to set up your workout program. Now, you don't have to follow everything that I say in this video because everybody trains different, but this is what I think everybody should at least do in their workout programs. After completing your warm-up, you should begin your actual workout. And you want to always begin your main workout with compound movements first, and then go to isolation movements after you've done all of your compound movements. The reason for that is because at the beginning of your workouts, that's when your body's the most fresh. Now, the third thing you should have in your workout is cardio, if you want to do cardio. I recommend you have cardio after your actual training session because during your training session, your muscles use glucose, also known as sugar, as the prime source of energy when working out. And then once you've depleted all of that energy, your body will automatically go to fat as the energy source while you're doing cardio. And if you did cardio before working out, you could actually decrease the amount of muscle growth you would have and slow down your progress. There are people that stretch before they even begin their workout, and you should not do that because you will cause an injury. That's why you should stretch at the very end of your workout, because your muscles are warm. Because the warmer a muscle is, the further you'll be able to stretch that muscle. There's been recent studies showing that stretching can actually boost muscle growth. And stretching will also help with your mobility, allowing you to squat deeper and perform at full range of motion in different exercises.